the first time I'm vlogging on a e-bike, the Switch e-bike, and doing 29 kilometers per hour, 31, 35 kilometers per hour on a cycle. And we have the Switch owner here who's riding the red cycle, and I don't need to pedal at times. I can just accelerate because it has a battery power and a battery motor inside, and I'm doing 35 kilometers per hour. Very, very nice. And no one can take the rise of this particular e-bike. So as you see here, I don't need to pedal again. I can stand, play around with the bike here, and ride also just with the acceleration. Very nice. So the thing is, you can set speed limit and everything on this particular cycle, and you can play around with it. It has a cute little horn as well. Listen to this. Nintkole. See there? It's as easy as that. And this has got disc brakes as well, as you see there. Fat tires. See, all these things are available with Switch Forks itself. You can come check it out. I never thought cycles are this fun. You know, it's extremely light, as you see here. All I have to do is accelerate. See there? Because even for the first time when I saw this, jump the motorcycle and everything, it's very, very nice. The last time I rode a cycle was when I was in 10th standard. So basically since 3rd standard to 10th standard, I used to travel in most places in cycle itself. Oh, the suspension was good. This has got adjustable suspension, adjustable speed limit, adjustable throttle control. As you see here, I'm in mode 5. You can go to mode 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you don't want electricity at all, you can just cut it off, make it 0. And as you see here, the throttle won't work, and at that time you have to pedal and you have gears for it. Now it becomes like a normal cycle. Now that it is uphill, and as you see here, I'm struggling to go over 10 kilometers per hour or 11 kilometers per hour. I will switch it up to 5, use my electricity or the battery, and go. See? Effortless. If I want, I can pedal. If I'm lazy, I can just go like this. Even some of the car guys are going slow. The thing is, when the speed completely goes down, I have to completely cycle manually, and there is no electric throttle at all. So this time if I put it into one mode, it gives me some assist. As you see there was a surge of electricity into the e-bike, and now I'm able to pedal easier, and I'm doing 18 kilometers per hour. Right, that's with throttle. And now if I leave it, again there is no throttle. It will be assisting me. It doesn't need to be that you always keep accelerating. It keeps assisting you. I'm not feeling any fatigue, as you see in the voice. Then I'll go into mode number 2. It gives a little more power again, helps you go a little faster. Mode number 3 goes a little more faster. Let me go to mode number 5. That's the 5 complete mode. Now I'm not pedaling at all, and as you see there, it's going at 35 kilometers per hour. This is very, very nice, and it keeps going faster without pedaling. I still have 73% battery, going to 40 kilometers per hour. See, the thing is, the top speed is set on this now to 45, as I've shown you in the video. Ooh, this is very, very nice. Really very nice. The brakes are very good on this e-bike as well. Now if I pedal more, I can go faster. So if you are going to some trekking place and all, if you want to take your cycle there as well, wherever your motorcycle cannot go, wherever your car cannot go, is where this particular bike will go. This is extremely relaxing actually. Unlock the suspension and then ride again, so that I can show you how the suspension works. This is really nice, man. Absolutely love it. So within the city traffic as well, it's very easy to ride again. The assist is very nice, man. Without using the throttle again, it becomes effortless. This is beautiful. See, I'm doing 14 kilometers per hour. Can I catch up to them? Yes, very easily. And this is uphill right now, and all these are bad roads, as you see here. I'll go on them to show you the suspension. Oh, this is beautiful. See that? Absolutely beautiful. The suspension works great. Nice. 33 kilometers per hour. Oh, unbelievable, dude. See, for this you don't need license or anything. It's a cycle, dude. Good brakes. See, if you want to go get something urgently for your house, instead of using your two-wheeler, you can use one of these and keep using it. You get a basket in the front if you want as an accessory. You get a rear pannier also if you want to keep something there and carry around. This is cool. See the 33 kilometers per hour. Oh wow. And as you saw, everything was adjustable, and you don't need any mechanical components with you to adjust anything. So it costs only 3 units to charge the electric battery, meaning, let's take the example of Rajarajeshwari Nagar. It hardly takes 10 rupees. It depends from one area to the other when how the electric board charges your area. Here it costs only 10 rupees to charge this particular cycle and use it, and it takes only 3 hours. So that's very nice actually. See, because I have a mount here, let me use it and go. So now using the mobile mount, I'll easily traverse to the switch place as well. Okay, I have to take a right here. Let's go. So I'm just 4 minutes away. Can I overtake this lorry? I can, but wait, let's wait. Let us wait. Without pedaling, can I go? I can actually, but yay. See, the cycle is ready, but do not take such risks. Everyone is staring at this particular cycle. The lorry guy unnecessarily wanted to race this cycle, man. Come on. Well, anyways, again, as you see here, city speed limits easily doable, and it grabs attention like crazy. The mobile holder accessory is also very good. I have trusted my iPhone 12 on this particular e-bike to be safe, because the suspension is very good as well. I am pedaling, as you see here, but don't have to pedal too much as well. I have to take a left. Oh, this brings back so many memories of the school. Back then we had to physically pedal anyway. Even now those cycles are there, advanced 1 lakh, 1.2 lakh cycles. They are available, yes. But this is fun in its own way. That auto guy will definitely be like, what the hell did I just see? I'll stand and ride here to go to the showroom and get that reaction as well. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is where the switch RR Nagar franchisee is, and I had a crazy time riding this particular cycle with the navigation on. Beautiful. Yep, so this is it. This is how the switch premium cycles are. The most basic variant is standing inside. That is already sold for a particular customer, so that's why we will not be test riding that. Otherwise, we have ridden the premium cycles and you know how this really feels now. Getting on a cycle after a long time was really fun. Thanks a lot for Switch e-bikes for giving me this opportunity to ride this and review this. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.